Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Doba Dropshipping Platform. My user experience review. Doba Dropshipping Platform is a service that connects online retailers with suppliers to streamline the dropshipping process. It's aimed at e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly those new to dropshipping or looking for a centralized platform to manage their product sourcing and fulfillment. Key features include a vast product catalog, supplier vetting, and integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and eBay. Their website provides details on their various subscription plans and the features included in each. Doba emphasizes the ease of use of their platform, claiming a simplified process for finding products, managing inventory, and automating order fulfillment. They also highlight their large supplier network, offering a wide variety of products across different niches. While they don't explicitly mention no contracts or no hidden fees, their pricing page seems straightforward. Doba's approach differs from some competitors by offering a centralized inventory management system rather than requiring users to work directly with individual suppliers. Availability is global, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Doba Dropshipping Platform. Getting started was relatively painless. I signed up for a trial account and the onboarding process walked me through connecting my Shopify store. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is well organized, making it easy to browse products, add them to my store, and track orders. I searched for phone cases and was presented with a wide range of options, complete with supplier information and pricing. Adding a few cases to my store was as simple as clicking a button. I didn't actually process any orders during the trial, but the simulated order fulfillment process seemed straightforward. Performance-wise, the platform was generally responsive, although there were a few instances where searching for products took a little longer than expected. I had a quick question about integrating with WooCommerce, and their support responded within a day via email with helpful instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making product management a breeze. The standout feature for me was definitely the vast product catalog, offering a much wider selection than I'd found with other dropshipping platforms. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, which would have been convenient for managing my store on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced search filters, which are quite powerful but require some exploration to master. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Doba Dropshipping Platform. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and seems like a solid option for anyone looking to simplify their dropshipping operations. That's my overview of Doba Dropshipping Platform, my user experience review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.